American 1939, 18 right.
Envoy 3553, DFW Tower traffic's underway, runway 18 left, line up and wait.
18 left, line up and wait, Envoy 3553.
American 1939, DFW Tower, runway 18 right, clear to land, 1150 at 13.
Clear to land 18 right, American 1939.
American 1252, contact departure, good day.
Departure American 1252, good day.
American 1939, AM, showing a 50 knot overtake with traffic 2 3/4 ahead.
1939, so.
American 969, where do you park?
East.
American 969, taxi via Echo and Alpha, hold short of runway 18 left.
Echo Alpha short at 18 left for American 969. And we had a Birdstrike there on the flare.
Roger. American or United 2116, no need to respond, use caution, possible bird strike, just around Echo or Whiskey Juliet. Copy. American 969. Do you have a moment you could write down a number? If you have any damage, I'll have to have you give us a call so we can put that in our logs.
Stand by. Okay, ready for American 969.
American 969, 972.
Okay, 972 for American 969.
Thanks. United 2616, no delay to the Fort High Speed, please traffic short final.
Alright, no delay, 92116.
American 1939, go around aircraft on runway, climb maintain 2000.
American 1939, going around 2000.
Envoy 3553, contact departure, good day.
Departure, good day, see you. You said 2000 for 1939?
American 1939, affirmative, climb maintain 2000, fly runway heading, I'll have get you turn in just a moment.
Alright, runway heading to American 1939.
American 1939, turn right heading 210.
210, 1939.
American 1939, contact departure on 135.975.
3597, American 1939.
United 2116, a Whiskey Lima, cross runway 18 left, Alpha route, contact ground 0.65, top of the Alpha bridge.
Okay, cross 18 left at Whiskey Lima, and then 0.85 at the Alpha bridge, United 2116.
United 2116, ground 0.65, top of Alpha.
Oh, ground 0.65, top of Alpha, thanks, United 2116.
Turkish 83 Juliet Heavy at Whiskey Mike, cross runway 18 left, then contact ground 0.85.
Roger, via Whiskey Mike, cross runway 18 left and ground point